Good morning. Welcome to my garden. So happy you're here. All right, I'm out here gonna dig up my other potatoes. I got my shovel here. I'm gonna dig around it and see what I got. All right, this is what I dug out of the hole in the ground. Some of these are pretty good size. So I'm gonna let them dry off a little bit, put them in a brown paper bag, and then I'll put them with my other ones and show you the total harvest I got. So this is my full red potato harvest. I got the ones that look dirtier are the ones that I dug up out of the ground, and the ones that are less dirty were in the 10-gallon pot. And let's see, got this many potatoes off of 2 small seed potatoes. I'm gonna harvest these peas. I picked some a couple days ago, and so I will add that clip just to show you what I got after I pick these. It looks like I have a lot of peas on this beautiful plant. So here's the peas I just picked today, and I'll add the clip on of the peas I picked like 2 days ago. I have a lot of peas left on there in buds, so I'll be getting more. Here's some sugar snap peas I picked today. Like the peas? Color of your eyes. The peas are the color of your eyes. Mitzi. Mitzi. Look it. The peas are the color of your eyes. So saving these sunflower stalks, as you can see I have 4 right here, and I've saved some here, taller and shorter. I got from the idea from the guy, the channel is called Dirty Punk Gardening on YouTube. That's where I got the idea. Usually, I buy these at the Walmart or whatever, these bamboo stakes. And I thought, well, why not make use of all of these stalks next year, building some maybe like beanpole teepees or some trellises that I can run my peas up. If I let them run up the fence at all and anything sticks outside, deer or animals can eat it. There's my moonflower. It's finally reaching the top. I hope I see some kind of blossom out of that. It's growing quite a bit just recently. And we're going to have a couple weeks, I think, of nice weather. I was finally getting some yellow on my yellow peppers, and look at that. Big black rotten spot. And I noticed one of from my red pepper plant right there. It's loaded with peppers. But yeah, another big rotten spot. So the rest of it looks beautiful, so I'm not sure what the problem is there. Oops, there's a stink bug. I'm sick of those things. There's my squash. They're getting some golden color coming in. And one of my pumpkins is about as big as my head. It's right there. Got 2. Plant has powdery mildew, but still growing. Finally getting a little color in the cosmos. We got this guy drying out. Seeds are getting loose. Thanks for joining me out in my garden today. I hope you're well and wonderful.